Fucking ducks are noisy, man. Konnichiwa everyone, it's Dan from JaDan.co.uk, and today I'm going to be checking out some of these bad boys. You've probably heard of Japanese vending machines before, and they're everywhere, so let's have a look at one. All sorts of cool drinks, some hot, some cold. Pretty normal. Takes coins, also takes notes. What more could you ask for a machine? So in today's video, we're going to walk around, find some cool vending machines, buy some weird drinks, and test them out. So let's go. So that's vending machine number 1 conquered. Let's go fucking find some more and buy the weirdest drink in each one. We'll do a taste test at the end. Let's go. It didn't take long to find some more vending machines because we're in Japan. So let's take a look at what we've got here. We've got some Yunka station. Don't know what that is. Might give that a go. Some... what is that? Condom machine. Of course, Japan. Luckily enough, don't need them. Well, sadly enough, I don't need them. And a Coke vending machine with some weird stuff in it. So let's buy something from here and we'll get moving. Well, that took literally 5 steps. I don't know what I've got in this one. Some pretty interesting stuff. Let's see what I'm going to buy. I don't know yet.
You can be more wherever you want and still die young. The cause of death on your headstone reads, chat too much fun, it was it work that killed her? That's the thing, the ultimate question, living to work or working to survive. Early mornings take a toll, after the late night roll. Takes notes so deep, feels your back, she starts to weep. It wasn't meant to be this way, meant to bring a brighter day. Gotta get the balance right, don't give up the fight. Balance! Find the balance! 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 Find the balance! Balance!
Found a couple more. I'm going to buy something from this one. I ain't decided what yet. I'm going to head to the final destination. And I'm not going to walk you the whole way there, but I'll meet you there. See you in a second. That's right, found my way to Akashi Park. I'm going to walk around, check out some of the vending machines in here, take a look at some cool shit, find somewhere to sit down and try all these weird drinks I've bought. They're having some kind of flower festival thing. This looks pretty cool. I don't really understand. These are some kinds of flowers. And then there's some other kind of flowers. So, stop for a quick break. One of my favourite places in Akashi. On top of the castle wall. Check out that view. It's pretty decent. Can't argue at all. I did it! appears. Disaster has struck our little mission. This building behind me. I came here, I wanted to do the finale of the vending machine video here because in this building there's a cup noodle vending machine. But alas, fate has conspired against me and it's fucking closed. Okay, so these are the 4 drinks that I've bought to try. None of which I've tried before. So I suggest we just give them a go. I'm going to start with the safest one. The Gokori grape drink. 2-tap method. Oh, it kind of just smells like grape drink. It's not fizzy. Yeah, it's just like grapefruit juice, I guess. Real gold. It said something about making me Genki, so I guess it's like a Red Bull or something. Oh, smells different to Red Bull. Ugh. I don't really know what it is. It definitely feels like an energy drink of some kind. It definitely feels made by Coca-Cola. Feels like some kind of energy drink. It doesn't taste like an energy drink I've ever had before, so Calpis water. I don't know what the fuck Calpis is. Oh, looks like milk. Little light milk. What the fuck is that? Kind of tastes like watery yogurt. Delicious. UBUNTU. Comes in a glass bottle like medicine. It probably is medicine, you know, I don't know. When it says pharmaceutical on top, it's probably medicine. Very sweet. Is this medicine? I'm not sure why you drink it. Maybe it's got like bear energies in it or something. It's got 1,000 micrograms of taurine. Okay, so this is probably some kind of weird energy drink. Cost Japan, right? Who the fuck knows? I'm really disappointed I couldn't be sat here eating a cup noodle. That would have been a fucking sick ending to this video. But maybe I'll do round 2 in the future when this place is actually open and I can do that shit. So at least I've had a nice walk around the Kashi Park. It's been good fun. But it's probably time to head off home. I hope you liked my video. If you did, subscribe button here. Do me a favour and press it. Check out the description box below. There's links to all my social media accounts where we can be bros. Don't forget to check out this popular videos playlist and my latest video here. And as always, until next time, Jamata!